edge. 4200 fast cure. And based on experience, clean it up later. Alright. Done. Not really done. Now you peel off the glass. A cast acrylic. And you drop it in the hole. Like that. You take the frame. Drop the frame in and push it down all the way around. And then you fill the gap. And pray you don't run out of 4200 while you're doing it. And the 4200 is actually the seal that presses against the piece that's in the boat and makes it watertight. There are probably better ways to do this, but I've done it, what, 12 times now? And this seems to be the best way. And yes, ran out of 4200 with an inch to go, which really sucks. Got a new tube of 4200 here, just to make sure that on the very last one I don't cut any corners. And that's about it, folks. I'll clean all these up after it cures, and it seems to take about 9 days at a minimum to cure, based on my test. But there you go. And there's a special solvent to use to clean cast acrylic so that it doesn't haze, and it'll take off the 4200. I don't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but I will find the link and share that with this post. But there you go.